Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share your Reddit profile. Maybe you want to connect with others or share similar interests and to showcase your contributions and expertise within the platform. So today I'm going to show you how to share your Reddit profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on this My Profile option. Now, in this page, since you wanted to share your profile, simply tap on this arrow icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear below, and here, you can now choose where you want to share your Reddit profile. You can also copy the link to your profile and just send it to someone who you want to share it with. After that, you know have successfully learned how to share your Reddit profile. It is a great way to connect with others and share your Reddit page to your friends on other social media platforms. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share your Reddit profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share your Reddit profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.